Hi there, this is Brian. Firstly, I want to thank you so much for taking out the time to view this demonstration where I will be explaining to you how to use the call shop software. This demo is not going to be too long. It's a very short demo. I'm going to try and keep it as short as possible. This is just for demonstration purposes, so you guys can see how the software is designed, what's the functions, and how does it work. So this is the interface, the login area. You will go to the website that we have given to you, and you will use the credentials that we have passed on to you. So you will just enter the login details. The software that we provide you with, it is completely free. We do not charge any setup fees. It is completely free. If you do require a test account or any other information, you may contact us. So once you enter the information, once you enter your details, you are taken to the login area, the administration panel. This is where you can run your entire business. There is no need to download any additional software called shop billing software. Your entire business is ran from this interface. So you can see there's different functions like log out, reports, manage rates, your purchase rates, setting rates. You can set them here. Your supervisor tools. You can see your balances, your payment history, your operator tools. So I'm just going to show you some of the basic functions. I'm not going to go into too much of detail. So this is how it works. Let's say a customer walks into your internet shop, your internet cafe. You offer international calls, and the customer walks in and they want to call to the UK or to the US or whichever country they want to call. So what you will do is you will open the booth control. When you click on the booth control, it opens up a new window, and this window will show you the amount of booths. You will be able to track every call live, see the call they made, the duration, the cost. Depending on the amount of lines that your call shop has, you'll see that amount of booths. So let's say you had 2 lines, we can create for you 2 booths. That is cabin 1, cabin 2. We have 4, we can create 4 for you. We have 6, 8, depending on the amount of booths you have. You just let us know and we'll be able to create that amount of booths for you. There's 2 different types of options. One is postpaid and one is a prepaid. So if a customer comes in and let's say they want to speak for $5 or €5, whatever your currency is, you can set your own currency. Let's say they want to speak for $5. You can enter $5 and you click on start. Once you click on start, the line will open and the customer will be able to speak for $5. Thereafter, the call will be ended automatically once he have reached his limit of $5. If you want the line to be open, you will just click on postpaid. And postpaid allows the customer to speak as long as they want to until they end the call. Whereas once they end the call, obviously they will need to pay for the amount that they spoke. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to do a quick demonstration for you. I am going to make a live call for you. So I clicked on postpaid and I will click on start. This will activate the line. It will allow the line to be open for the customer to make a call. So let's say I call the number. What I'm going to do is once the call is established, I'll just drop the call. Just wait for the person to pick up, drop the call so it picks up some duration, and once that is done, I can show you the call history, exactly like how do you see the reports and stuff like that. So okay, the call has been established. You can refresh. When you refresh, it will show you the current call and duration that it's running for. So I just ended the call right now. Once I end the call, I can refresh again, and if I refresh, it's going to show me that how long the customer spoke for, as well as the cost the customer spoke for, and the amount of calls. So in this case, I made 1 call. It shows 1 call and the cost, which is 20 cents, depending on the currency. It can be 20 cents, US cents. This you will need to set in your manage rates panel. So if a customer's made 5 calls, you'll see 5 with a total amount that he needs to pay. If you need to see the history of the calls, the places he called, the duration, you will just click on call history. and this will open up another window. In this window, you'll be able to see all the calls the customer made. As you can see, they call the destination. It will show you 22 seconds. It will also show you the cost. Different functions you can see here. Okay, so we'll close this window. When a customer speaks completely, you can close the line by clicking on stop. Once the line is closed, basically, if a customer comes in again, you need to open the line in order for the customer to speak. So this is a very unique software. You can select different kind of options. So this is for the booth control. You do have rate calculator. So if a customer wants to, let's say the customer walks in with 10 euros and they want to call to the UK, which is 44798, for example. If you click on calculate, it will basically give an estimate on the amount of 10 euros. Maybe they can speak for 11-12 minutes. Okay, I'm just giving an example of 10 euros. It could be 10 US dollars or whatever the currency is. It will basically give you the amount that the customer can speak for depending on the rates that you set. So that is just some of the functions. CDR report. You can also see the call history. Besides the booth control, you can see the CDR report. So if you click on display, it can show you the calls that were made today, yesterday. You can select the different options. As you can see, we made 4 calls today. It will give you your total cost, your profit, your usage. It will show you all the numbers that you called, the duration, which cabin, which booth was used. There's many different functions that you can actually obtain from the software. You can see your payment history, your account, your rates. This function here is you'll be able to see the purchase rates, the rates that we are giving you. We are giving one of the best, cheapest rates possible. It is a very good quality and the rates are as minimum as possible. We do understand that the clients do want good quality with very good rates, so we try to offer that as best as possible as we can. So with the rates, I'm not going to be going into much detail with the rates, the setting of the rates and stuff, but just basically show you as quick as possible. You can basically see the buying rate that you're purchasing for. You can set your own selling rate. If you need to change the rates, you'll be able to change it by just selecting and let's say entering an amount. If you want to charge your customers per second billing, you will leave this on 1 instead of 60. If you want to charge the customer per minute billing, then you'll just change this to 60. Once you do that, you'll just basically click on apply and the rates will be changed. Alright, that's for that. If you want to change all the rates, let's say you want to increase the rates by 50 US cents or whatever your currency is, it will basically change the entire rate sheet. If you want to increase by percentage, you can do that. If you want to add connection fee charges, you can do that as well. So there's many different things. Like I said, I'm not going into much detail here. If you do have any other questions, you may email us at sales@bestvoipcalling.com. We do offer a test account for free. This is just a demo demonstration. So if you do need more information as a customer, definitely we will give you all the training that you will need, and look forward to working with you so much. Have a nice day, and thank you so much for taking the time out to view this demonstration. Thank you.